Alright, this is exam 2, question 9, and we are looking at a table with the production of ethanol in the U.S. So our first question is we have to find whether it's linear or exponential. So your first step is to plug the data into your table, like shown here. And then you go over to graph, and you can see that it has a dip right here. So you know it has to be exponential, because if it was linear, it would be a straight line. The next question that it asks is we have to find the equation for this thing. So what we do is go to stat, and then you go over to calculate, and since it's regression, you scroll down to exponential regression, enter, and calculate. So your A is 1.455, and your B is 1.24. So we have that written here. So this will be the equation for your model. And then B asks if you chose linear model, explain what M and B, and if you chose exponential model, explain what A and B means. Obviously, we do exponential model, because that's what we chose. So we take a look at our equation here, and we know that A is the 1.455. So we know that that is the starting value. So in 2000, the production of ethanol is 1.455 billion gallons. And we know that this is our B, and since we know that it is a 1.243, so you take 100 and minus 24.3, so you can see we have a 24.3% increase per year.
Alright, part C of problem 9 says to predict the ethanol production in 2012. So what we're going to do is take your model, and you're going to plug in 12 for the exponent. This is what you get. And we're going to solve it using the calculator. Plug your A and B into the calculator, and you plug your 12 in for the exponent. So that's what you have plugged in the calculator, and you just push enter. You get your answer. Your answer is 19.79. Your production of ethanol will be 19.79 billion gallons in 2012. Part D says, according to your model, when will ethanol production reach 50 billion gallons? So to solve this, you're going to take your same model, f of x equals 1.455 times 1.243 to the x, and you're going to set that equal to 50. And to solve that, you're going to divide off this 1.455 to get the exponent along. 50 divided by that is equal to 34.36. To get the x down low, you have to log both sides, and the x brings over. And then to get the x by itself, you divide by the log of 1.243. which gets you x is equal to the log of 34.36 divided by the log of 1.243. You can plug that right into your calculator. Go like that, press enter, and you get 16.259. So round that up to 16.26.
You know the starting year was 2000, so you take what you got and you add to 2000. So you get in 2016, the production will be 50 billion gallons of ethanol. Got to make sure your answer is in sentence form, so the teacher will accept it. And that's how you do question 9 on exam review number 2.